Hey guys, welcome to Aufine Tire channel. Today we would like to share the details of Aufine Energy AER3 with you. It is all-position radial tire optimized for a wide spectrum of regional applications. Directional tread design provides excellent traction performance. Special functional sides provide long-lasting grip in all weather conditions and on slippery surfaces. Ejectors at the bottom of the grooves prevent stones from trapping, thus ensuring better durability and retreadability. Wider shoulders give an improved resistance to scrubbing. All productions came from the fully automatic production line. Alright, that's the brief introduction for Aufine Energy AER3. Any demand for high quality truck tires, please contact Aufine. Thanks for watching.